how you can install Cloudfunnels in your own server. Cloudfunnels is a web page builder. You can build funnels, you can build web pages, you can build membership sites, a lot of things. And the great thing about Cloudfunnels is you can install the software. Is a PHP script. You can install it in your own server. This is really cool because you have 100% control of your web page builder. Also, if you don't have a hosting, you can install it on Google Cloud. And this is something really cool because you can have the resources that google.com or YouTube has. This is the members area of Cloudfunnels. You have in the dashboard these sections: install on your own hosting, install on Google Cloud, your installations. You have to generate a license every time you install the software in your domains, and they have technique force. The developers of Cloudfunnels have this feature. You can contact them if you don't want to install the software by yourself. All right, here you have the tutorials, and you can click here if you need any support. All right, now I'm going to show you how to install Cloudfunnels. You need, of course, web hosting. You need a server. It is not necessary to be a VPS or something like that. With a simple shared hosting is enough. And you can install it in the main domain, for example, your webpage.com. But I recommend create a subdomain or a folder, and then you install the PHP script. You can install Cloudfunnels. So first you need to download the script. You have to click here. You have here a tutorial of how to install Cloudfunnels, but I'm going to show you real quick. The first step is click to download. You can download it in your own computer. All right, I have it already, so I'm not going to download it again. The second step is in your hosting. You have to do two things. Step number 2, we need to go to our file manager. I am using cPanel. All right, in my hosting I use HostMonster because I love the services of HostMonster. And we have to go to public HTML. These are all my domains. I'm going to cover them, but I have a lot of domains, and I'm going to choose, let's say, this one. I don't know. Well, let's take this one. I have installed Cloudfunnels in a subdomain and it works perfectly. All right, now I'm going to create a folder inside a domain that I have WordPress installed. I don't know if it's gonna work perfectly because it's a folder. If something happens, you need to know in a subdomain it works perfect, and also in the main root of the domain it's going to work perfectly. But now I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to click here, new folder. I'm going to name the folder, and now I'm going to upload the zip file of Cloudfunnels. So I'm going to click here, upload, and I'm going to download the software. Okay, and now this step is complete. I'm going to reload here, and I have the zip file here. Also, I'm going to unzip this. I'm going to click here in extract, and I'm going to click here, extract files. Okay, I'm going to reload this, and here we have the script. Okay, I'm going to go to the main, to the URL. Okay, and I have this. As you can see here, we need to fill this. Okay, so now I need to create a database and a user. Okay, this is something very easy to do. We have to go to MySQL databases. Okay, we need to do 3 simple steps. First, I'm going to create the database. I am in Spain, so maybe HostMonster detect that I am in Spain and everything is in Spanish. All right, but this is very simple. First, we need to create a database. All right, the only thing we have to do is click here and put a name, Cloudfunnels. And click create database. We have to take this name, copy it, and create a text file. And now go back, and now we need to create a user. Something very simple. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, now we need to create a strong password. We are going to click here, generate password, and I like to add more characters to this password. It's a strong password, but some hackers can detect this short number of characters, so I like to add more. I hate hackers, by the way. And first, I need to copy the password. I have to paste it in a secure site, and I have to click here. I have copied the password in a secure place. I need to click here and click here, use the password. All right, and now I have to click here, create user. I'm going to copy this user. I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, and the third step is very important. A lot of times I forget to do this, but it's very important to do it. We have to add a user to the database. All right, so here we need to take the user I just have created and the database. All right, and I need to click here, add. I need to connect the user to the database, and now I need to click here, all the privileges, and click here, make changes. All right, everything is done right now, and now the only thing I need to do is this localhost. Database host name always is localhost. Database username. All right, I have this here. Copy, paste the password. Copy, paste, and the database name. Copy and paste. You can leave this blank. All right, and this is always Cloudfunnels. You don't need to change anything, and click submit. All right, now I need to put the details of the administrator. Here I'm going to type my name. Here my email address, and here I need to create a strong password. All right, again, and submit. Now I need to put the password again, and click login. Everything is already done. Look at this new update available. Install update. This is something really cool, because I can install Cloudfunnels in my own server, but always I'm going to have updates. So now, in order to use Cloudfunnels, in order to be able to create pages and all this stuff, I need to add the email I used to purchase Cloudfunnels, and I need a license code. How I obtain this license code? Very simple. In the members area of Cloudfunnels, if you remember, we have here this generate license. Okay, if I click here, the only thing I need to type is the URL of the new site, of the site I have installed Cloudfunnels, and click generate new license. This is something very simple. Let me take this, copy, and I need to paste it in here. Okay, and click generate new license. Please refresh the page and try again. This happens only because I need to log in again inside Cloudfunnels, because if I spend a lot of time, this inactive is going to log me out. All right, the only thing I have to do is click again, Cloudfunnels. Okay, I have to log in again. No big problem. It's only for security. And make this again. Paste and click generate new license. I have my beautiful and long new license. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to type here my email and I'm going to paste the long code in here. Verify. Successfully validated. And now I can create my beautiful pages with Cloudfunnels. I hope this is useful. This is interesting for you. And now, as you can see, I have created the folder and Cloudfunnels work just perfectly. All right. The only little hard step is create a database, but as you can see, it's something very, very simple. They are 3 steps. All right. They are 3. Don't forget the last one, because I have created hundreds of sites and sometimes I forget to create the 3rd step, and the database is not going to work if you don't add the user to the database. All right. Number 1, you have to create the database. Number 2, you have to create the username and the password. And number 3, you need to add that user to the database. All right. Well, this is Nieves Marquez, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye bye.